Hello beautiful people, I'm going to show you how I make my Banga soup real bang using fresh catfish. Sit back and relax while I take you through this process. I start by bringing water to a boil, then I add onion and chili paste, some ground crayfish and Cam seasoning to taste. Here I'll be using the Banga's palm fruit extract. The good news is you don't need to source for fresh palm fruits. This is ready-made, easy to use, and it tastes good and natural. Mix together, then I add some pieces of cow leg, cover and allow to cook for 25 minutes. Then I add some fresh catfish, which I already cleaned using warm water to take out the slime and bitter taste. To see how that is done, check my video on how to make catfish stew. Gently mix so the fish can settle in. You don't want to break the fish. Now cover and allow to cook for 20 minutes. At this point, I add some Banga spice and some Banga leaves. Then I add salt to taste. Gently mix again. Cover and allow to cook for another 10 minutes and it's ready. Serve and enjoy with any sides of your choice. Traditionally, like most people would say, Banga soup is best served with starch, no doubt, but you can also enjoy it using Mama Gold pure white semolina. In making this, I start by dissolving some semo in water depending on the quantity you want to make. Like this is a 1/4 cup. I bring water to a boil, then I pour the mixture in and stir continuously while I pour in some dry semo. Mix consistently to avoid lumps, then add water if it's too thick. Mix properly and it's ready. Now, this is the part where you say, yummy. Thanks for watching this sumptuous episode. Please come back next week for another exciting recipe. I'm DJ Cam. If it tastes good, eat it.